If you're considering martial arts either for yourself or your child, it's a great choice. There are so many benefits to both your physical and mental health. But it can be tough to commit to something new. That's why we put together this guide with 10 reasons you should learn martial arts. Check it out below. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. Stress relief. Did you know that practicing martial arts can help relieve stress? Often this is accomplished by focusing on the present and things you can control. Many forms of martial arts also emphasize being in complete control of your breathing and thoughts. When you do this, you're learning a skill that can be applied throughout all areas of life. When you're more focused and confident and your thoughts are more clear, you'll relieve yourself of stress in so many other parts of life too. More than anything, going to martial arts class will help you leave with an increased mental focus and a greater appreciation for the world around you through a fun, safe, and challenging workout in an encouraging environment with like-minded people. 2. Develop self-discipline. By attending martial arts classes, you'll become accustomed to direction and structure. In this environment, you have to pay attention to the task at hand and rid your mind of distractions. It's also crucial to realize that achieving your martial arts goals depends on you. No one else can do it for you. This promotes self-reliance and independence. You're the one who needs to put in the work to improve and grow. To be your best, you need to be dedicated and put in the required effort. As you progress, you'll gain self-discipline that will be beneficial in every other aspect of your life as well. 3. Improved social skills. Martial arts can also help you develop social skills. This is because of the team environment. You're working alongside people with the same goals as you, learning and growing together. This is especially beneficial for children. In martial arts classes, they'll be able to learn how to resolve conflicts, make new friends, and show compassion. Being in a new environment can be scary for kids, but learning how to navigate that situation in a safe, controlled environment is a great skill that will benefit them for life. 4. Want to improve your mental stamina? Learn martial arts. Recent research showed that aerobic exercise, like martial arts, actually produced a physical change in the brain that promotes better memory and learning skills. The same study observed that a new case of dementia is observed every 4 seconds globally. Those who want to prevent this debilitating condition can fight it by participating in martial arts. This is a great benefit that many people aren't aware of when it comes to martial arts. 5. Lower blood pressure and heart rate. Participants in martial arts have been shown to have lower blood pressure and heart rates. But that's not all. Because of its similarity to HIIT, high-intensity interval training, martial arts can improve overall heart health, lower cholesterol, and provide more regulated blood sugar and insulin levels. Say hello to a healthier body, happier life. 6. Self-defense skills. One obvious benefit to learning martial arts is an improved ability to perform self-defense maneuvers in situations where there is a real threat. This is great for you, but also really great for your children as well. 7. Better coordination. All martial arts require special awareness and coordinating movement with another person. Some martial arts even include the use of props and tools. All of these factors improve the coordination and awareness of the participant's body, as well as the people and objects around them. 8. Increased flexibility. Repetitive movements like high kicks, low stances, fancy footwork, and ground maneuvering improve flexibility and mobility, which will benefit your overall health. 9. Full body workout. Are you looking for a new form of exercise? Martial arts is your answer. That's because martial arts truly provide a full body workout. The consistent practice has shown to increase overall mobility, improve your body's pressure response, and increase muscle. Because so many martial arts involve repeat muscular actions, over time you'll build strength and burn fat. Who doesn't want that? Looking for a way to increase strength and build muscle quickly and intensely? Kempo can do it for you. It's a full-body martial art that combines the athletic abilities of karate, judo, kung fu, and Brazilian jiu-jitsu. This is an ideal martial arts system to accomplish those goals. 10. Increased confidence. Increased confidence is something that martial artists of all ages enjoy. Whether it's for you or your child, martial arts can help you improve your confidence. Practicing, improving, and succeeding at a skill improves self-image and gives participants confidence that they can succeed in other areas and ventures. In fact, children who participate in karate or a similar martial art show improved confidence and even better performance in school. So, if you're looking to improve your child's self-confidence or yours, martial arts are a great activity to do so. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow and stay curious.